Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to cancel Kling AI subscription. So let's start. Well, I'm here on the page of Kling AI. So if you want to cancel a plan, well, of course you have to have a plan here. So you click here on Group Plans and you will check the prices for each plan. For example, here you can have the basic plan that is per month and it's only created by monthly by login. So we have the standard plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. If you are subscribed to one of these plan, well, you can cancel whenever you want here. Just have to have a plan here, and then you have to manage the plan, and then you can here for example appears the option to cancel the plan that you have it. Just click there and you will cancel. Also you have here the purchases records, gift cards, and etc. So if you contract a plan here, so you can cancel whenever you want. Just you have it and just to manage and then cancel in the option that appears here. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.